Welcome back to the Cute Developer. Today, I'm going to work on getting rid of some of these warnings. So I have a warning here, and the warning is because this file is being used. So we take a look at it. It requires preference change, the signal. However, the signal is actually not really being compiled in the proper way. Well, it's being used as a macro. So let's go take a look. So if I go ahead, let me turn this off. So in theory, I shouldn't have to use this because QCreator says I don't need it. But if I come down and I look at this here, because of this macro, it's not compiling it. So therefore, QCreator thinks that, you know what, I don't need this because it's macro and I don't need it for compiling. So, to make that better, I can use the newest version of the connections with these signals, and I'll use this here. So we'll take the T app, I then want to use the, what was it? The tscene handle. So tscene handle, preference changed. Oh, come on. Oh, you know what? I need to enable that again. Preference changed. This. Followed by toolbar, because this is where the on preference changed is written. Oh. There. And let's just double check. Toolbar, see that? Okay. Now here I should be able to do this. And what did I do wrong? Oh, I forgot the ampersand. There. So there we go. So now let me give it a build. And you notice up top here, see, the warning went away. So I want to make sure it builds. Yep, it's green. Now I can get rid of this old code. Let's give it a whirl. Go ahead and run it. And then I'll test the preference change. So I should at some point go through and change some of these other ones. See, everything's using the old signal and slot mechanism. We don't have to, but I'll go in and update. Alright, so now if I go to the preferences and I take the show startup, turn that off. That was that first window that came up. And then run it again. So that preference window should disappear. It shouldn't show up. Notice how it came up to this state? So now if I go back to the preferences, turn that startup window on again, that'll basically give me the ability to select a scene. So close out, run it again. Now I should see that preference window pop up, the one that's going to allow me to select a scene. And there it is. Here's my scene. Nice. It worked out. And I can get rid of this build. Let me go ahead and do that. Let's go to here. OpenToonz. Let's turn that off. There. So that's how you make an update to the signal, the old signal and slot macro, to the new static compilation. And how you get rid of the warning error, the warning message from the include. So I'll go through, I'll make a few more of these, and when I do, post a new video. I hope you enjoyed it. Working on OpenToonz, making it my own. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.